Hello and welcome to the So Geek. Now in this video today I am going to show you how I made these. These are stands for my ventriloquist dummies. Well, actually they're actually going to be sitting down against these. So that part's going to go up the back and the bottom is the base. It's going to go up the back, underneath the clothes, and they're just going to sit there. And I used two different types of boards for this. And I made this fleece slip cover for the back, and I glued a piece of fleece. Well, it's actually artificial fleece, and I glued that onto the base. So I just wanted to protect the dummy from, I thought maybe the varnish or stain or whatever might come off on the clothes or the dummy itself. So I wanted to protect that, so that's why I put this on. So anyway, here's how I made it. Now for the base, I just used a thin board here, and I'm measuring where I want to drill for the screw that I'm going to put in there. Then I used another different type of board. That's a 1x2, and I cut them to size. And I just marked that for where I'm going to drill, and I drill right through, right there where the screw is going to go. Now I'm using the bigger drill here. Just give it a couple triggers there, just to make the hole bigger, so the head of the screw will sit down inside. It won't be sticking out any. So I just drill that right into the back of the stand. And I'm drilling some more into the back there, because these are like 3.5-inch screws that I am using, wood screws. So I'll put a little wood glue on the end there. And there's the screw. I just screw her all the way down there until the head sets down inside the board. And there you go. Nice and simple. And I sand it all nice and smooth. I think that's actually 80 grit that I'm using right there, because I want to shape it a little bit. I'm rounding the edges on the sides and on the top here, giving it a rounded edges. And then I just apply some stain. I'm just using a paper towel here to just wipe the stain on. I don't waste brushes with the stain. And I did 5 of them here, because I have like 4 dummies that I want to display at this time. So I'll have one extra until I buy another one off of eBay. And there we go. All over. Now when I got them all stained, then I just apply some polyurethane. Well, actually this is water-based. It's like a satin finish. I just put a couple of coats on each one of these just to protect it. I don't want them to rot. I want them to last a while. So after I put the artificial fleece covers on the stand, and this is how I put them on it. They just sit right on there, and that keeps them propped up. It's just nice and simple. And that's an Emmett Kelly Jr. ventriloquist dummy. And there we go. Looking good. And that keeps them up nice and sturdy. You don't really need any other kind of support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I will see you again. So have a great day.